Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Aart Verhoeven, the Aart Lights, and in this video I want to show you how to create a beam picker with the attribute pickers plugin. Okay, let's go to the home PC for this, and then in the home PC you can see that I already created a gobo picker, a position picker, and the color picker, and there are all the macros already, the related macros already here. All this is shown in my previous videos, so if you did not see them, please first watch the videos about how to import the macros, how to create a picker, position picker, and gobo picker. So now we're going to exclusively talk about the beam picker. Our beam picker is based on all presets. Presets of the all type. That is because there are quite some beam related presets in different preset types. There are the focus types, which are the zoom presets are in the focus. Then we have here some presets for some prismas and frost and things that are in the beam. And if I go back down to other fixture types, then I've got here presets for the different rings, for example, for a rolling wash or for quantum wash. And these form part of the dimmer preset. So to combine all these in only one picker, I created presets in the all type, so that I can combine all these. What is important to create the picker is to know which preset we created, which numbers they are, and that would be nice probably to write this down, to have all this information on hand when we start to create our picker. In this case, I have beams for 1 to 10. I've got spot presets from 21 until 29, and I've got wash presets from 41 to 52, and robin presets from 61 to 67. These are the groups that they're based on. We've got beams group 2, spotting group 3, then quantum washing group 4, and robin washing group 5. So let's start to create a picker. Let's go to this command window where we have our create attributes pickers macro. So if we run that, it will start the attribute type, which is 0 for the all presets. Then it will ask for the all group range. That is the range of the groups that we use for the all presets, which is group 2 until 5. Since group 1 is the stage group, the all group that we will not use in these preset types because they have all different kinds of presets. So it's no use to send them all to the same preset. The beam all preset range. The beams are in preset range 1 to 10. So that's okay. But the spots are in 21 until 29. Then the quantum wash presets are in 51 until 52. And finally the robin washes are in 61 until 67. The layout number I keep on the default value. You can change it if you don't have space here, but you do have space in other number. The layout 1 is 11 for screen 1. That's where we're going to create it for. And the height is 4. So the macro pool offset, that's where the markers go and where the images and the sequences go. I keep it all to the default values. But you can change it if you need that space for other things in your show. Reuse the autofocus settings. Uh, as I've shown before, I already have created a gobo picker presets. The autofocus settings are created to be able to have our gobos always in focus, uh, and that they will stay in focus if we change our zoom or our gobo reel. When I created the gobo picker, I already created the autofocus settings. So I keep these same settings. If you first create the all presets or the beam picker, then you can create the settings here, and later in the gobo picker and reuse them. I reuse these settings, so now it will create our picker. It's not that big, it's only 38 buttons. But okay, let's see what it's doing. It's going here, all presets. Right, all presets, this one. Zoom to fit, and there is our picker. Okay, let's store it here so that we can have it all on. Only one. Okay, so now we have our beam picker here, and now the next thing we need to do, of course, is to fill it with images, just like the rest. So our first image in this case is a zoom, very narrow zoom. So that could be this one. And the next is a narrow zoom, that could be this one. And okay, I'm going to pause so that I can fill all these images. Okay, now all the images are here. These images are all from the standard library. You can create more images. You can see they don't have to be square, they can be round, they can have any form actually. And you even can have images with colors and things like that. Right, this looks pretty nice, but there's one thing that doesn't work right at this moment, and that is when I choose a zoom and later I choose a prisma, then the zoom goes off. Or on the other way around, when I choose a prisma, or in this case a frost, and then I zoom, then the frost goes out. So to avoid this, there is a set break macro. So what I can do is set break and then set the break here. Now I've got a break in between these two buttons. Now I can change here this one, and then I can also choose this one. It's like a new row of buttons, and it works independently. Of course, I have to put a set break here also, because the Prisma is independent of the flash or the how do you call it, the frost. So let's do that. Let's go to set break here, for example, and put it here. Okay, now I've got it here and I've got this one separated. So this way we can put breaks in all different points, and then we have our all picker ready. Well, this is all. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will enjoy working with the attribute picker. The next video I will record in Swing Electric Show, which is a local rental company, so that I can show you there how it works, how we can work live with the autofocus option of this plugin. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.